Hello all. Bit of a different video today. Working on my cousin's 6-horse Fairmont. Know nothing about it. Never worked on one before. The guy that I got it off of did say that the carb was redone, rebuilt, whatever, so it's been all taped up for a long while. But it's got some compression, but there's silicone everywhere on this thing, so it needs to come apart. So I guess we'll start tearing into this and we'll get back to you. Alright. See you in a bit. Almost got the hopper off here, but as we said before, this guy liked silicone. There we are. Got it?
I got it. Yeah.
Perfect. Alright. There we go. And we did get the head off too. An odd piston, but it is a 2-stroke. It really doesn't even look that bad inside. Started trying to get the flywheels off, but we're going to need a little more heat. It's coming. What else have we done? Not too much else. Hopper's off, as you guys saw. Pulleys off. Carbs off. Heads off. I don't know. That's pretty much all we've done. There's not much to these. That's the only other thing we could really do. Take the muffler off. And then try and get that drain off. It's stuck tight, but I'm pretty sure it's just silicone as well. Alright, I guess we'll get back to you if we get anything else accomplished, but for now, that's kind of what we've done. So, when all else fails, use heat, and lots of it. What are we reading? 350? 350?